Please guys, we need to love washing off makeup at night. So that's why today I'm bringing you this video and I'm going to be showing you how to remove makeup with the most affordable stuff you can find around your kitchen. That is coconut oil, olive oil, whatever oils you have at home. So we all know it's annoying to take makeup off at night, but extra makeup on our face means extra problems for your skin. Do you know that? So here's why you should always wash your face. For this video, we're going to be using wipes. This wipes is a normal baby wipes, yeah, this comes in handy. If you can afford the makeup wipes, it's still cool. And we're going to be using normal micellar water. We're going to be using micellar water. This one is from Blossom Cosmetics. And then we're going to be using coconut oil. If you do not have coconut oil, you can make good use of olive oil. You can use even granite oil. Why not? We just need this oil because it's going to help break down the makeup. It's going to dissolve the makeup before you go ahead to wipe it off. But make sure after this you wash your face very well with a good facial cleanser, so that it's going to the oils are not going to clog your pores, since most of these oils I've just mentioned are dry oils. No matter how many times you've been told to wash off your makeup before bed, sometimes you just can't seem to make it happen. We all have been there. I've been there. Even as a professional makeup artist, I admit, and I am fully guilty of having slept with a full face of makeup before. So basically in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys why wearing makeup to bed can be very harmful to your skin, and I'm going to be sharing you guys some 6 major reasons to cleanse your face at night for your skin's sake. So to begin this, we're going to be separating her face into 2. I'm going to use one side of her face coconut oil. I'll remove her makeup with coconut oil on one side and our normal micellar water on one side. So these are the 2 ingredients we are using. I really need you to fall in love with removing your makeup from your skin at night, please. So the first thing we're going to be doing is using micellar water on one side of her face. So I'm just spraying some of that product, a very good amount over there. I'm saturating that area, and then I'm going to be going with my wipes. If you cannot afford any micellar water, then you can go ahead and use any other oils at home. You can even use Vaseline. Yes. So I'm using this baby wipes now to clean it off, and you're going to be seeing how everything is coming off easily. So just watch while I tell you some of the key things you have to remember about leaving your makeup on your skin. So first of all, when you leave your makeup on your skin and you sleep at night, guess what? Your pores will be clogged. You will break out. That's a sure fact. The next thing is that your complexion is going to appear very dull. Your skin will look older. Your skin will look and feel very dry, and then your skin will become so irritated, and you even risk eye infections. Yes. Some of you don't even remove your mascara. You don't remove your eye makeup so well. Remove the first side of her makeup, and she's laughing, guys, because look at how the face looks funny. The one side has makeup and the other side doesn't have anything. So on this other side, we're going to start by applying our coconut oil, and we are going to put a good amount of coconut oil on her skin. Then we take time and massage it into the skin so well. You're massaging it in, and then it's kind of like dissolving everything. Oil and makeup are not friends. So when you apply this oil, everything starts breaking down. I'm applying that on her mascara. I'm going to show you guys how to remove glitter, guys. It's just that this glitter I used on her eye was a very fine glitter, so it didn't really have a problem if I rubbed it in. So this is what we are having. This is what you want to have: a well dissolved makeup, okay, well dissolved skin, and then you go in with your wipes and you do the magic. Look at how just a lot of you complain that you cannot really remove your makeup because it kind of sticks to your skin. It doesn't want to come off. This is the reason. You're not dissolving it, especially when you use authentic products. Trust me, it's very difficult for authentic products to just leave your skin like that. Even waterproof makeup, water doesn't remove makeup at all, so you really need to dissolve it. If you cannot use a solution, the micellar water solution, please make sure that you get something to dissolve it, just like we've just done here now. So we are going in with our wipes now, and just one swipe, we're going to do the magic, and you're going to notice that just one swipe and everything comes off like no man's business. Like, just watch while I do more of the talking on why you really need to remove that makeup no matter how tired you are at night. It is so true, trust me, that your skin will become irritated. it's possible to say, oh, I didn't have breakouts and now I have breakouts. It's the makeup is the cause. Yeah, makeup often contains ingredients that irritate the skin, trust me, like dyes and perfumes. And when left on the skin for so long, for so long, these irritants can actually cause inflammation, irritation, and redness. And again, that can sometimes lead to applying even more makeup the next day to cover it up, and we don't want that. So please take off that makeup. See how skin is fresh. But this is not all. It's actually gonna move into do her facial cleanse. And so yeah, thank you. If you love more of these videos, let me know in the comment section, and see you all next time. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, bye, ciao, peace out.